Today's COVID-19 special is brought to you by Hale and Hush Skincare and My Skin Buddy. Purchase a My Skin Buddy and receive a complimentary 1.7 ounce Hale and Hush Hydrate Gel. My Skin Buddy is a handheld device that gives you the results of a pricey facial in your own home with your own products. My Skin Buddy offers multiple benefits using 4 different modalities: ultrasonic vibration, ion care, photon LED therapy, and thermal heat therapy. Instructions for use are included, or you can schedule your own complimentary 15-minute consultation with our award-winning licensed esthetician, Melissa. She can walk you through a step-by-step once you receive your device. All of this for only the price of My Skin Buddy, which is $265. My Skin Buddy does everything from stimulating collagen, reducing fine lines and wrinkles, to fighting acne-causing bacteria. There isn't much that this little device can't do. To order, all you have to do is send us a message with your email address. We'll send you an invoice, and all we have to do is ship this directly to you for no shipping charge. So again, $265. Your savings is shipping for free, consultation for free, Hale and Hush Hydrate Gel for free, My Skin Buddy only $265. Take the My Skin Buddy Challenge today. Experience a deeper, radiant clean from your first treatment.